Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make invisible name on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe YouTube channel. As you can see, my current Facebook name is little icon and now I am going to make it invisible. So click on this down icon here, settings and privacy, and make sure you are in general section, and here you have to click on your name and remove your name and last name, and here you have to put a code, and the code you will get in the video description. So I am pasting the code here. Here is the code. After pasting, you have to cut this bracket and dollar from here and make sure this dot is here. Don't cut this dot and then add from here. You need to cut this dollar and bracket from here and make sure this dot is here. In this last team section I am pasting that code again, and also here I am removing the bracket and dollar sign, and I am coming here and also I am going removing this dollar and bracket from here. Then I am going to click on review change and select the first option, and look here you have to put your password. So I am getting my password here, see changes, and after that I am going to my Facebook profile, and here we can see my name is invisible. So this is the way how to make invisible name in Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.